Hey guys, this week, on Friday is Jumper Day. So on Friday we're gonna have Jumper Day. I'm gonna wear some Christmas jumper. It's gonna be so much fun wearing Jumper Day. And then on Friday, Jumper Day. So tomorrow's Jumper Day. So, if you want to subscribe, I'll be having some Christmas dinner at my school. So, this is gonna be so fun. I'm gonna take a quick look at this. Anything that's dark. So tomorrow. Okay guys, so today I'll be drawing what is my life. So I'm gonna draw tomorrow I'll be drawing this. The play button. I'm gonna draw a play button. So it's going to be a YouTube play button. Do you remember? So it's just a fake pen. So this is nice play button. So you can get play buttons from the store. You can do it. I made you guys a play button. And it's a play button. Then I'm gonna show you I'm gonna write subscribe for you guys. So if you want, please click the subscribe button. So there you guys have it. So I made a play button. So just got the play button just to pretend to draw a play button. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember to please subscribe to this. So I'm going to show you how to write my name. So I'm going to write Francis Lift and dryer there. YouTube channel transporters. So sometimes I like to film the transporters, and I sometimes like to film the lifts. Or when I film the lifts, next year I'll be heading to London. Hopefully in July. I'll be heading to London for my holidays. It's going to be pretty awesome for my holidays for next year. We're going to head to London, then we're going to head to Kensington. So I'm going to film these lifts and hand dryers in London. So I'm going to film all these lifts and hand dryers in London. So I'm going to film lifts and hand dryers. So I want to show you. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell, then turn on notifications and send requests in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Soon. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.